To create a button symbol in Flash, you can pretty much start out with any artwork you'd like. On the stage here I have a graphic symbol, but of course you could start out with just text, a bitmap image, or just a simple vector shape. I'll select my object on the stage and then go to Modify, Convert to Symbol. For the name, I'll type button1, and for the type, I'll choose button. Then I'll click OK. Now when I have the instance selected, you can see that I have an instance of button1. And if I double-click the button, I'll enter its timeline. So we have the up, over, down, and hit frames. For simplicity's sake, I've already built the states for this button, but you could add any artwork you like. I'll create keyframes at the over, down, and hit frames. For the over and down keyframes, I'll press F6. But for the hit keyframe, I'm going to press F7. We'll draw the hit state later on in this movie. So let's go to the over frame, and I'm going to swap this instance out with another one. So I'll select the instance on the stage and click the swap button in the properties panel. I'll swap it out with BTN1 over. Then I'll go to the down button and repeat the process. I'll select the instance on the stage, click the swap button, choose BTN1 down, and make the change. Now for the hit state, I'm going to use the rectangle tool, and I'm going to remove the stroke. I'm doing that because with a hit state, a stroke is not counted anyway. So I'll use a bright color that I'm not using anywhere else in my application, and then I'm going to draw a rectangle. But what's important to me is that I draw a rectangle around the actual space of the button. And right now I can't see the button on the stage. To get a preview of what the button looks like so I can get the size right when I'm drawing the hit state, I'm going to turn on onion skin. So I'll click the onion skin button at the bottom of the timeline. I'll drag the markers so that I only see the down state. If that yellow color for you is hard to see, you can expand the markers to cover all the states of the button. Then click and drag on the stage to draw a rectangle that covers all the artwork for the button. Now I'll turn off onion skin and test the movie in the Flash player. So here's my button, and when I roll over anywhere that's included in the hit state, the button will be activated. So I'll see my over state when I hold my mouse down. I'll see the down state, and when I release the mouse button, I'll see the over state again, and when I roll out, I'll see the up state. So to recap, you can create a button just like any other symbol, just choose button in the symbol type. Then you can define the different states of the button in symbol editing mode.